Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Pick me up some tempered glass screen protectors for the outer display of my Google Pixel Fold. I'm not going to go anywhere without protection. That's sporting a case on my Fold and a screen protector, whether it's film or glass. This smartphone cost way too much money than to be taking chances with the hard-earned money that I've earned to purchase it. So with that being said, we're going to get into this packaging, which is actually pretty nice. All the information to purchase these screen protectors will be down below in the description area. So without further ado, let's do this. Go ahead and start with the camera glass protector. You can see a little bit of the camera bar here poking out along the bottom, side, top, and along the side here. That looks really good. The cutouts are perfectly right over the top of the mic and your flash there, and your cameras are going to be protected so you don't damage those cameras, so you can take great quality pictures and shoot great quality video. But please remember, when you're placing the camera glass protector over the top of the camera bar, you do not want to touch the inside of that camera glass protector, because you'll smudge that area, which can ruin your pictures and video. The screen protector on the display looks really good. The cutout for the front facing camera is perfect, but you're probably wondering why we have so much space not protected along the top, the side, the bottom, and right in here close to that hinge. And that's because any case you buy for the Google Pixel Fold is going to be two pieces. You're going to have a frame that goes over the top, and you're going to have the back part of the case that's going to protect the back. Some cases will come with hinge protection, some won't. But the frame that you put over the top of this outer display, this 5.8-inch AMOLED display, is going to take up all of that excess space. That is why the screen protector doesn't cover those areas. So everything is going to work itself out. And with that, thanks for watching, everyone. Appreciate your time. Any questions, please leave that down below in the comment section. Once again, all the information to purchase the screen protector for the outer display and the camera glass protector, all that info down below in the description area. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. Peace. I am out.